Hey guys, welcome back to All2RealGarage. Today we're gonna do a quick video on the bug. We're gonna be working on the rear end, so we'll start taking everything apart. Basically everything on the rear end right here is coming off. I'm replacing these. The brake lines are getting replaced. The backing plates need fixed. Everything's locked up on the inside. It's getting new brake hardware, all that fun stuff. But we're gonna put new bushings in, new covers, new swing plates. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. I'm only going to be disassembling parts of it today, but here we go. All right guys, so I got my electrical impact out. We're just going to work on getting the wheels off for now, and then we're going to work on the rest. But first we're going to see if we can break this off real fast just to get her loose. There you go. Cool. She was on there pretty tight. Wanted to break it loose to make sure it would come off. Alright. Are pretty short. Got her. Took a second. There it is. So they're kind of short. I'm probably gonna get longer ones for it, but let's do the job for now at least. And the battery is a little low on this. We got two bars of battery left. It's not too great. Put that under here for safety. Even though we already got jack stands out. Perfect. For now, we're just gonna actually take them and put them in the glove box. Just let them sit in here. Take them and put them in the glove box. Ta-da. Yeah, it did have a little bit of water on the floor. We cleaned it up. It's leaking from right here. And then obviously there's some spots down here that have rust in them, so it's leaking through and also through the door jambs. It's not too crazy. At least it holds water. That means the floors are at least solid. All right, so we couldn't get this off a couple days ago, so we're probably gonna have to find another 15 that fits it. We're probably gonna have to break it loose, and we're probably gonna have to drill and through the whole thing and just put through bolts through here and then nut it on the back with a crush washer. But these have to come off right here. These plates are coming off. The drums are gonna come off. We're gonna do new brake lines, new master cylinders up front, new wheel cylinders. We got new ends of the CV axles. We're gonna replace these. Yep. But nothing too crazy, guys. And we're replacing these rears. I'm calling them rear swing arms. They're probably another name for them, but this is just the way I call them, just like the front. But or swing plates. I call them swing plates. That's just what I know them as. But I'm replacing these for the dual plates only because this side is really bad right here. You can't see it because of the auto feature, but it's starting to rust up and push away from the existing metal, and I just want to get these out of here and replace it so it's strong, so I don't have to worry about having to fix it down the road. Let's check this out while we're at it. It's pretty dirty, but that should be all right. I'm thinking about just redoing these and just painting them for now, at least to get us roadworthy. We'll see. It's rusty, guys. It's rusty, but it'll be ready to drive around the yard soon, I'll promise you that. I'm trying to get it drivable for winter time. I'm gonna have to take the short shifter back out because the short shifter isn't going in the third or fourth at all. I still haven't cut down the clutch cable. It needs to be cut down. It's hitting the back firewall right behind the engine. You can't see it, but it's up in there. All this external damage right now I'm not fixing because it doesn't, you know, have anything to do with it riding right now. I'm just gonna get it so it rides around the yard, and then we're gonna get tags for it once everything is, you know, bled and everything works. But yeah, that's the plan, my fam. Hey, if you ain't dubbing, you ain't dubbing. What can I say? I'm around almost 3 years now. It's at 2 years and counting, and hopefully this will be done before I'm 21, or at least drivable, because it's a long time coming, and I need to hustle. I need to get this work done before winter time hits hard. But yeah, we'll get her done. That's just terrible. Keep breaking off. They keep breaking off. What do you expect? That one was already drilled through and pre-bolted anyways. Pretty much the same thing I'm gonna do with it, but that's so messed up. End up messing up a socket for this bullshit. Oops. Broke my tools. Can't do that. That's no good. It'll still work. This set's not that bad, but I did just use it for the wrong use. I put the ratchet behind there, ratchet wrench, and I put another one in front to break it off, and that wasn't a great idea. I ended up almost ruining it, but it's all right. Didn't break it yet, so that's good, I guess. That's good, I guess. Look at that nice hole there, guys. All this is getting replaced. Yeah, guys. There for a minute. Got you guys on the bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. Yeah, today my nephew's at the house, guys. See if I can't break any of these loose. Hopefully they'll stay inside. Unless they were replaced. Oh, tut! Still got a nut in there. Totally forgot. Oops. All better. All better, guys. That's probably gonna just spin. Let's see. Spin. They all just spinning, so I gotta put this behind here and stop it from moving. Here we go. Woo! We're beating the heck out of this adjustable wrench today, guys. We are beating the living hell out of it. Here. I got a hammer for this. I don't know why I'm using it. I go get the hammer. Just gonna poke her through there. in there. There you go. Bam. It's 1 of 3. The top one is seeming to be the hardest one right now. Just to be a pain for some reason. Get on there. I forgot the thing. I forgot the nut again, guys. Keep getting to take the nut out of here. There it is. They get rusted in. Forget to take them out. All right, she's loose. Yeah. That's out of there. Wiggle that. There's the second one. Yeah. Just for a reference point for the other one, I didn't know if I needed it or not, so I scribed a little line around here just in case to use that as a reference point on the new ones, even though it's on the old bar, but still work the same as long as you line them up. Just to give us an eye shot of like where it should sit. It's nothing special. Wouldn't be too bad. Send her home. Nope. Hope I get off before this impact dies, because then I'm out of luck. Oh man. Man, I really hope it comes off before she runs out of battery. I didn't charge it before I came over here, so I have no idea if it's gonna die on me or not. I still don't know how I'm gonna get these plates off, because the socket I have is too thick. I had to find a thinner socket or a thinner walled socket that'll fit. Right now it's seeming to be a pain. Nope. I know I could just get a wrench, but I don't have any, I don't think I have any 19s around here. See if I can't get that up there. Nope. That ain't working. Seeming like it's gonna be a pain the whole time. See if I can't get this on here. Let's try it. Woo! That's no good. That's not good at all. That thing almost blew apart my face. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. I advise you guys to not do that strongly. That's not a good choice. Do not try that at home, please. This is my warning, because it almost bent and blew my face apart. Because I'm not wearing my PPE, my personal protection equipment. It's terrible.